Will someone please teach me how to light? Number one question, right? Because when we're starting out, we go out and we make a movie and we show it to people. They look at it and like, why doesn't that look like a movie? And you don't know why. And somebody says, you need to learn how to light. So you're here. You want to learn how to light. We're going to start out with common misconceptions and mistakes that people make when they're first starting out. Then we're going to move into how light works, how light moves, and how you control it. The next thing we need to go into is shadows. How we go about giving our images shape and texture and depth. And then we're going to show you some basic techniques that are the fundamentals for everything else that you're going to build onto. When we talk about the technical aspects of lighting, first one is exposure. What is a proper exposure? How do you know when you've got it? And what it does for you when you get a good exposure. Then we're going to talk about all the different kinds of lighting fixtures. All these things that you may not even know what they are yet, you will by the time we're done. Now, the thing to remember about lighting is that all the technical skills that you develop are really only there to serve your artistic goals. We're going to talk about the theories and the ideas and the whys behind horror movies or dramas or comedy, so you'll know what you're trying to accomplish, and then the technical skills will serve to help you actually accomplish that goal. Speaking of artistic goals, we're even going to do 2 case studies, 2 short films that we had made specifically for this disc. And we're going to be able to go to the cinematographer and learn exactly what he had in mind. You're going to see what the setups were, what the fixtures were, why that those were chosen. So you're going to see exactly how the whole process works start to finish. And when we're done with you, you're going to be able to go from this to this.